Hi everyone, just a small video, get me back in the swing of things, and I decided to share this little flower with you. It is one of my nicer flowers that I like to do. Now, I have used some wool to put mine together. It really doesn't matter. You just need a little plate on the back, which I use white felt. The ribbon I use, you can get in the shop, and we've got it in about 9 different colours. It's like a sheer ribbon. By that I mean you can see through it. It's like an organza ribbon. So I've just got some thread, one of the longer needles. I can't really talk about Julie at the moment, but those of you who know, I did lose my good friend recently, and she passed away with cancer, but I can't talk about her like I normally could. I just need, we are having the funeral until the 1st of February. That's the only date they said they could fit her in, like she was a number. And so I will come back and do a video and talk about it when I can keep myself together. Because when I start, I'm alright to mention it, but if I start to talk about it, I fall apart, to be honest. So let's just get on with the video. So I've got these little applique things that I can use for the centre of them. You can make these flowers triple layered, double layered, whatever you want to do. It's one of the favourite flowers I like to make, and they're so easy. So take your ribbon, straighten the end off, seal it, take your needle. You need to go across the end of the ribbon. So I start off, and leave some of that like that, just enough to tie it in a knot. And then a couple of stitches, 3 or 4, whatever you think you need to go up the side or the end, whatever you want to call it. And then 6 stitches, 6 running stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if you want your petals to be the same, you're going to have to do your stitching roughly the same. And then what you do is you can pull that straight, and then you fold that over until the edge crosses the ribbon, and then you stitch across the bit that you've just folded. So that's the fold. And I generally just put about 3 stitches in there. So I'm just going to share that with you. So we've gone across the bottom, then you do 6 stitches, fold it over, and then you're going to do that. And then again you will continue with 6 stitches. So you can spread them out a fair bit. The longer the stitch, the fuller the flower, the petal you're making. Again, fold over and then go across the top. And that's 2 petals we've made. So if you pull that down, you've made 1 there and 1 there. Now we're going to do 6 petals in total. Again, keep that one out of the way. And then fold over. And then 3 tacking stitches will be good enough for that. Hope you all had a nice Christmas and a happy new year. And let's hope 2022 will be much kinder to us all. I doubt it, but hey, we have to start and believe it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, don't we? You all need something to believe in. Again, fold that over, or have faith in. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more petals to go. That's our 5th petal. Fold that over. Pull off. There we go. And our last petal. And then cut it, seal it, pull your needle through, and then you just stitch up the other side. At the end. Cut that off, take hold of these, tie them in a knot, and then pull your fabric, your ribbon, like that. And just, whoops, give it a knot. And it's still a little bit long to be moving about. Another, I double knot mine. Finger and thumb, middle finger and your thumb, or however you want to do it, it is completely up to you. You need to even out your petals. Like that. Turn it on its side, not on its back, should I say. Yeah, I'll just pull that down together. Take a little bit of felt. And cut yourself a little circle for the back of it. It doesn't have to be perfect, you're not going to see it. Pop that on the back. Try and centerize that, and then turn it the right way, and again pull your petals into place. And while that's setting, you're getting the right flower. Now, I'm not sure if I want to do that because I think it hides it, so I'm not going to. But I'm going to use one of the nice pearls for the centre. Pop that in like that. That's it. And you've done another flower. And they all come out slightly different, but they're all the same, if you know what I mean. So again, I'm just going to do another one. You can leave some of that out because you can tuck it in underneath a little white or whatever colour background you're doing. Just tuck that in like that. And there's another perfectly good flower to put on a project. Again, I'm just using some white normal felt, but anything, bit of cloth will do, whatever you want to do. Bit of card cuts, you know, you can, if you've got punch, 1-inch punch them out. I do that as well. Pop that on there. Let's have a look, see what we have. See, you could use something like that. They're really, really very pretty. Or you could use that one, and I just think I'm going to use that one because they don't have to match. It depends, you know, these will just go in a little bag ready for me to play around with when I need another project, you know, when I'm doing another project. So I've got those ready, and like I say, the other night I sat and made some little butterflies. That'll do. So I might want to just, it's a little diamante button. I'll pick it up later. And you see, that can go on a project somewhere. And they're just done with a few beads. There's lots of things you can do, lots of ways to do them. You just have to play around. These are small items that you can use all your scraps with. You know, if you've got a length of ribbon, if you've got a few pearls spare, you know, beads just hanging about, don't know what to do with them. It's the same thing. You can do them with these. You know, it's they're little teardrop beads. Just make what you can. And my motto is, make what you can and buy what you can't make. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.